Hello Ford owners, I'm going to quickly show you how to turn on and off your headlights. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a silly comment for the algorithm, and don't subscribe to me. Alright, so what you want to focus on is right here. This is what controls your headlights. You have 4 different options here. You got off, you got your parking lights, which are for just illuminating your vehicle so other vehicles can see you. Then you got your on position, this is your headlights on. And then this is your automatic headlights, okay? So your headlights will just be on automatically. This is what I leave on all the time. All right, that's where it should be set most of the time. All right, so then you got your fog lights here, and you also got your rear lights right here. Okay, so if you want to turn on your high beams, it's actually this thing right here. You just have to pull it back, and that will turn on your high beams. Some of them also are push forward, but most of them are a pull back. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a silly comment for the algorithm, and don't subscribe to me.